Hello friends, very good morning to all of you. We have to deal with the verse of day 66, and one thing I feel that you must have been revising the things seriously, because without revision the words, as I often tell you, that the words are not going to stick to your mind. So do take care of your revision first. Before going in for the questions of the words of day 66, let's talk about the question that are given based on day 55, 65. Festoon means to decorate something, and opposite is deface, to spoil the entire structure or the look. Effulgent, that is shining brightly. Drab, looking dull. Joyous, very happy, बहुत खुश. Frenzied, very angry. And spoil, that is a deface in synonym. Spoil, बर्बाद कर देना. And deck means to festoon, that is to decorate, to make it beautiful, beautify. Now the statements. The room was so garish. Garish means brightly colored, looking quite gaudy, that it looked as if a fire. ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे आग लगी हुई हो. So garish, so brightly colored. Very true. Violence is raising. Raising means quite in a very violent anger. And another thing, raising means something is raising means a negative situation is prevalent very strongly over there. Say, I'm saying heat is raising in the entire state, means heat is prevalent, गर्मी चारों तरफ व्याप्त है. This is what is used in negative sense. So violence is raging in the state, and a good many parts are ablaze. We must have read somewhere जैसे पूरा आग, पूरा देश सांप्रदायिकता की आग में जल रहा हो. So in that sense, ablaze is also used apart from in the sense of being on fire. So true. The forest is conflagrant, having a very big fire. Forest में, जंगल में आग लगी हुई थी. And looks like a luminous, shining brightly, a stretch of land, that is piece of land, from the distance. दूर से दिख रहा था कि कोई बहुत shining piece of land है. Very true. People were stimulated. Stimulated, one meaning was quite in anger. When someone tried to bastardize their shrine. Bastardize means spoil, to undo the holiness of a place. किसी चीज की पवित्रता आदि को भंग करना, spoil करना. So quite true. When something is alight, on fire, do not try to decorate it. Adorn means to decorate. There is no connection between on fire and decoration. So this is disconnected. Now today's words. And again, if you look at the words, most of the uncommon words have been done previously also. We have already done that word. So as I said that after 66, if you continue till date 60, you will be finding that a good many words that are being asked are matching to the words that you have already have. Abrogate, if you remember, abrogate and then revoke, then rescind, all these means to cancel, to abolish a rule or law. समाप्त कर देना उसको, नियम कानून को. Abrogate, rescind, revoke, repeal. Amplitude we have done. The noun of ample, किसी चीज का बहुत ज्यादा होने के सेंस में. Annul also has got the meaning of abrogate, नियम कानून को समाप्त कर देना. Bags means बहुत ज्यादा, quite big in amount. Big, थोड़ा. Bonanza. Now if you look at the word bonanza, It is used with a very big celebration also. The opening of day of the IPL was a bonanza, and bonanza also a bonanza of opportunities, very huge in amount or number. So bonanza का उस मीनिंग में यूज हुआ है, संख्या में, मात्रा में बहुत ज्यादा होने की स्थिति में. कैरी आउट, टू फुलफिल, किसी चीज को पूरा करना. कम अबाउट, दैट इज टू हैपन, घटित होना. डैश, थोड़ी मात्रा. A dash of salt is needed in the curry. Depict, किसी चीज को डिपिक्शन, दैट इज चित्रित करना, टू पोर्ट्रे, चित्रित करना. डिपिक्ट द कैरेक्टर ऑफ दिस पर्सन. इफेक्ट, इफेक्ट एज अ वर्ब मीन्स टू कैरी आउट, किसी काम को पूरा करना. इनफोर्स, नियम या कानून को लागू करना. लुक एट द ऑपोजिट वर्ड इज एनल, एब्रोगेट. नियम कानून को खत्म करना, एंड दिस वन इज टू इंप्लीमेंट अ रूल और लॉ. एग्जीक्यूट, दैट इज कैरी आउट. एग्जीक्यूट हैज गॉट टू मीनिंग्स एज अ वर्ब. वन मीन्स टू पुट ऑन गैलोज, किसी को फांसी देना, एंड द सेकेंड मीनिंग इज टू कैरी आउट, किसी काम को पूरा करना. एग्जीक्यूट दोनों से बना हुआ है. दैट इज वाई द एग्जीक्यूटिव इंजीनियर इज कॉल्ड कार्यपालक अभियंता. कार्यपालक, कार्य का पूरा करने वाला. एक्स्ट्रावेगेंस ऑल्सो, वन, two meanings are there. Just said bonanza has got the two meaning. Same way, extravagance, one means with our habit of spending. If you spend too much, that is extravagance. And extravagance another means very huge in number or amount, बहुत ज्यादा. फ्रैगमेंट, छोटा टुकड़ा, so opposite in that sense. Glut, excessive amount, बहुत ज्यादा. हैपन, घटित होना. हीप्स, बहुत ज्यादा. ग्लट. हिंट, हिंट हैज गॉट second meaning, one meaning that you know already. Second meaning means a small amount of something. That is, I said that a dash of salt, we may say a hint of salt, small amount. Implement is to enforce, लागू करना. Iota, a small amount. Today the words contain कानून को लागू करना, कानून को समाप्त करना, and then किसी चीज की बहुत ज्यादा बड़ी मात्रा, big amount or number of something, and उसकी बहुत छोटी मात्रा. These words are there. Iota, small amount. Legislate, कानून बनाना. Annul, abrogate, समाप्त करना. Loads, stacks, that is बहुत बड़ी मात्रा. Glut. Might, small amount. अकर, that is happen, घटित होने के सेंस में. पास, बीत जाने के सेंस में. परफॉर्म. पाइल्स, बिग अमाउंट. pinch, small amount, pinch of salt. Play, I don't know in which sense it has been used. Let's see the word. Portray. Portray means to depict, to explain something or to make a picture, figure of something, somebody or something. Ratify, किसी कानून को approve करना. So implement, enforce, कानून को लागू करना, approve करना, and उसको समाप्त कर देना. Repeal, rescind, and revoke. All these means to cancel a rule or law. Scrap, small amount. Spec, small amount. Stacks, big amount. Stage as a verb to depict, to perform something. Tad, a small amount. Iota, tad, these are very good words. And then tinge also small amount. Touch also has got one meaning as being small in amount. This question is a touch difficult, a bit difficult. थोड़ा मुश्किल है ये. Trace also small amount of something. And transpire, transpire is a good word, means to happen. किसी चीज का घटित होना, वो चीज का होना. Now the words where these words figured, look at this. Modicum, a very good word. A small amount of something. किस चीज का? Small amount. Bit, fragment, scrap, speck, touch, trace, tinge, dash, pinch, hint, iota, mite, tat. A very exclusive collection of words meaning a small amount of something. And big amount, glut, extravagance, bonanza, amplitude, bags, heaps, piles, loads, and stacks. Big amount of something, small amount of something. And there is another word, enact. You should be targeting, you should be taking care of the derivatives of enact also. Enactment, inaction, and enactor are the nouns. Enactable and inactive are the adjectives. Take care of that also. First meaning, to make a law, that is ratify, pass, and legislate. Opposite meaning, cancel a law. Abrogate, rescind, repeal, annul, revoke. Second meaning, to put into practice. Any idea or suggestion that I give you, if you put it into practice, now you are enacting it. That is, effect as a verb, execute, carry out, implement and enforce. आपने उसको practice में ला दिया. Third meaning is to act out a role or play on a stage. किसी भूमिका को स्टेज पर निभाना. He enacted as the hero in the film. I beg your pardon. Synonyms are perform, play, portray, depict and stage. Fourth meaning, to take place, ghatit hona. And look at this, it's been written that the murder was enacted, matlab qatl hua, in that sense, in passive voice only. Occur, happen, transpire, come about. This means to happen. So over here, transpire is quite new. In that sense, you should take care of that verse. So we are getting some very good words every day. If you are regular, if you are revising, these words your stock must be now feeling a bit sufficient. Take care of yourself. Thank you for being with me, for listening to me. Thank you.